Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique, and I'm here with I have had a rough start to my day today, but I really wanted to get this video out for you guys, so I'm still pushing, still trying to bring you all great content and great recipes. So yeah, let's get to it. Anyways, I have a breakfast recipe for you all today. I'm going to show you how to make a nice take on home fries. These home fries will have potatoes, bell peppers, a homemade gluten-free vegan sausage. I'll show you the vegan sausage and let me know if you want that recipe, because it really is one of the best vegan sausage recipes I've seen. It doesn't have flour in it, and a lot of vegan sausage recipes that I see online have flour or beans or something, which overpower the sausage flavor. My sausage has none of that, so let me know if you want that recipe. Yeah, to have some vegan sausage, some kale, fajita seasoning, and then I top it with my homemade Chipotle cream. I also use this Chipotle cream in my roasted potato salad recipe. And it is starting to get warm on this side of the world, so that's another recipe you can check out, my roasted potato salad. It's the Chipotle cream. It just makes everything taste better. So yeah, this is a great version of home fries that I want to share with you all. I'm gonna get straight to it, so please enjoy the video, please like it, subscribe if you enjoy my content, leave a comment, share the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Darkness, love and darkness, easy love, easily, easy to. Darkness, love and darkness, easy to love, easily, easy to. Did you ever love me? All the beauty in me. Did you ever find me? All you needed love. Darkness, love and darkness, easy love, easy to.
Hello, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I definitely hope you give this recipe a try. I am loving these home fries. They're a great filling breakfast and even a great lunch or dinner, honestly. It's very filling. They're actually a really good lunch or dinner, especially if you like to add the toppings. These home fries are really great by themselves, but I just love adding the toppings, and you can add whatever toppings you like. I'm going through a sauerkraut phase right now. I've been adding sauerkraut to everything and it's delicious. I love it. So I love eating these with the sauerkraut and the avocado, a little bit of cilantro, and definitely make that chipotle cream sauce. It makes everything delicious. You can put that sauce on wraps, use it as salad dressing, put it on the home fries. I use it in my roasted potato salad recipe. I'll definitely link that potato salad recipe too because it's awesome. But yeah, give the recipe a try and let me know if you want that vegan, gluten-free, soy-free sausage recipe because I have not seen another sausage recipe like it. It's very unique and I think you'll love that too. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!